Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to download and install the Plex app to your Android TV, even if you do not have Google Play Store installed. This is very easy. Like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So what you have to do is to go over to your search engine or your browser. As long as your TV is an Android TV, then any browser should work and should give you similar results. So what you have to do, once you go over here, just search the application, which is the Plex app. Here's it over here. Plex app. Once you search, this is what you're going to get. So you're going to get results like this. Just scroll down a little bit to this option here that says Plex Stream. Here's what you're looking for. So what you do is go over here and click on this option. Once you click on this option, you're going to get results like this. And you'll be able to install the application from here, as I've already installed the application straight away to my Android TV. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more important videos. And this is how easy it is to install the application to your Android TV.